I bet you think these are just Danish cookies. Well, they're not. Did you peep what that was? Let me show you. Get those cookies, take them out of the tin, put them into a Ziploc bag. Get them all in there. Wash your tin really well. Crush those cookies now. I'm using my meat chopper. See, it's a multi-purpose tool. Can also be used as a weapon in a pinch. Teasing. Okay, get them nice and crushed up pretty finely because we're going to turn this into our cheesecake crust. Put it aside though for now. 2 packages of Jell-O cheesecake flavor pudding. For 2 packages, you need 4 cups of milk. Let's get that milk added in. Give it a good mix. It's going to start to get more solid as you're mixing it. Just go ahead and put it aside. And then let's get back to those cookie crumbs. Let's get a half a stick of melted butter, put it right into your bag, and give that a good mix. Less bowls, more happy. And then that bowl that you had the butter in, take that back, put a cup aside of those cookie crumbs. Now your tin is all washed. Get those cookie crumbs and start to make a cheesecake crust. I thought this would work well having a flat bottom, but you know what worked best? My hands. That's what worked best. Use your hands, use whatever you want, but I did find using especially to build the sides up of that crust. I wanted the crust to go up the side some. And that really worked very well as a crust. Now let's put our Jell-O pudding into that tin. And then just smooth it out so it's nice and pretty, and we want to be able to get the tin cover back on. Now let's take that 1 cup of reserved cookie crumbs, put it over the top. This way it's nice and pretty. You can alternatively, when you open this up, wherever your gathering is, you can put some pie filling cherries on there, fruit, chocolate chips, whatever you want. Put it in the fridge, let it get cool for a few hours, and here you have it. The most fun dessert. Nobody is going to expect it when you walk in with this tin of cookies. Everyone's going to love it. It's going to be the showstopper. It'll be the talk of the day. Enjoy. Everyone deserves a little bit of a treat, and this one is just too fun not to have it.